Hello, second graders, and welcome to the word study video for Sort 30. And ire words, and we have an oddball as well. So go ahead and write today's date. And it's Sort 30. This week, like I said, we have words that are R-controlled I, so they go We also have words that have the magic E at the end, which make them say ire. And we'll have an oddball as well. Okay, so our anchor word for the words is girl. And other words that fit that category, we've got sir. Sir is a respectful way to call a man. A knight, if you were in the olden days when we had knights, they would call them a sir. Third. Next year you'll go to third grade. Bird. Birth. The day you were born was your birthday. Shirt. Fir. Now this word it's a kind of tree. A fir tree has needles on it. It doesn't have typical leaves, so it's called a fir tree. There's another fir that's F-U-R, which is the hair that's on an animal, but this fir refers to a kind of tree. Whirl. A whirl is sort of a shape or an action of spinning around. Or you might say, if you're going to try something, you might say, oh, let's give it a whirl, like let's give it a try. And it does have that H in there that can be a little bit tricky. Firm. Firm means it can be hard, kind of hard, or if a teacher is firm, they're sort of strict or serious. Swirl. If you go and get ice cream and you want chocolate and vanilla swirl, it means they kind of mix those two together. Thirst. Thirst refers to that you want to drink something. So if you're very thirsty, you have a lot of thirst. Chirp. That is the sound a bird makes. Chirp. Skirt is what a girl might wear, or not always. In Scotland, sometimes men wear skirts called kilts. They're sort of half part of a dress. Twirl. So twirl and swirl and whirl are all sort of related to spinning, kind of a spinning motion. We have the word dirt, which is where plants grow in dirt or soil. And we have the word first. So I kind of even ran out of space. We had so many words. So first. So they all make that sound, and they're spelled with I-R. Okay, let's go next to our ire words. Now these make an these make an ire, so they have more of a long I sound. So our anchor word is fire. Then we also have the word tire. A tire is something that, like a wheel of a car, but if you are going to get tired, you might tire out if you ran on the track. Spire. A spire is a top of a building. Sometimes they have long, pointy decorations called spires. So that's a word you maybe didn't know before. Hire. If you're going to hire someone to do the job, then you pay them money. You say they sign a contract and they get hired. So it means they get a job to do. We have the word wire. A wire is a cable that you might use to connect your computer to the wall or to wire your internet. And okay, I think that's it. So Next, we have a few oddball words. Let me just count how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I think we're missing 3 words. Let me make sure I get all of our words here. The first oddball word I've already kind of mentioned is fur. So it's a homophone with this fur, and there's this fur. This is the fur of the animal hair, and this is a fir, like a fir tree, a kind of pine tree. Another one is liar. It's kind of an interesting word. It seems like it should be over here in this category, but it's spelled L-I-A-R. A liar is a person who doesn't tell the truth. They are a liar. I feel like I got them all now. I'm double checking. Yeah, I think we have them all. I don't know, maybe I missed one. Oh, maybe I didn't count this one. So we have the 2 oddballs. We should have them all. If you've cut out your sort, maybe you can double check, make sure that you have all the cards, and I wrote them all in the sort. If I missed one, go ahead and add it. And if you have them all, you can get your notebook organized and put away.